To all of you children. In today's class, we are going to learn about pronouns. So before we move on to the topic, let's revise or let's understand what it is. Okay, so what is a noun, children? Satik has noun, pronoun. Okay,
Noun.
yes, come on. Come on, tell me.
Ma'am. Naming words.
Naming words, very good. Has noun is attached to the word pro. Pro means it's a word used instead of a noun. So first of all, we have to understand what is a noun is. So noun is a naming word. It names a, Ellen, come on. It names a,
Yes, ma'am.
it names
Person,
a,
animal, and thing.
very good. It names a person, place, animal, or thing. Okay, so noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, animal, or thing. So pronoun means is nothing but a word which is used instead or in place of a noun. Have you understood? That is called as a pronoun. Clear to all of you? Pronoun means a word which is used in place of a noun. Clear? That is, in place of a person, in place of an animal, or in place of a thing, we use a pronoun. So, a pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Okay, have all of you understood what is a pronoun is? Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. So, for example, examples will teach us more about the topic. So, for example, Satik is a good boy. Okay, Satik learns regularly. So, Satik is repeated twice. So, instead of Satik, which pronoun do we use? Come on, Satik, come on, give me the answer. Which pronoun do we use instead of the word Satik? Satik is a he. Which pronoun do we use, children? Instead of a male, we use the pronoun he. Okay, we have already learnt in grade 1. Okay, the basics of the pronouns, we have already learnt it. Okay, so we are in grade 2 now. So instead of a male, we use a pronoun he. Okay, now the question goes to Ellen. I'm saying Ellen is a good girl. Ellen has a beautiful hair. So instead of Ellen, which pronoun do we use? She. Very good. We use the pronoun she. So have you understood for a male, what do we use? What we have to use? What we have to use for a male? For a masculine gender, for a boy, which pronoun we have to use?
This.
For a masculine, for a boy, which pronoun do we have to use? He. Which pronoun, children? He. All of you open your mouth and say which pronoun we have to use for a boy or for a masculine gender. We use he. All of you say it?
He.
He. H-E, he. Okay. For a feminine gender, which pronoun do we use? Feminine gender means for a girl. Which pronoun do we use? Come on, tell me. She. Which pronoun do we use? She. Is that clear to all of you? For a male, that is for a boy, we use the pronoun he. H-E, he. For a feminine gender, that is for a girl or for a mother, we use the pronoun she. S-H-E, she. Is that clear to all of you? For an animal or for a thing, which pronoun do we use? Hedela.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
It.
Very good. It. I-T, it. So we use the pronoun it. Okay, for an animal or a thing. A means one. For an animal or a thing, we use the pronoun it. I-T, it. Is that clear? So today's topic, what we are going to learn is all about pronouns. Pronoun is nothing but a word which is used in place of a noun. So for a male gender, that we use the pronoun he. For a feminine gender, we use the pronoun she. And for an animal or a thing, we use the pronoun it. Is that clear? These all are singular pronouns. One. But when we talk about the plural pronouns, there are three plural pronouns are there. That is we, they, and you. Okay? We, they, you.
You.
We,
You.
they, you. All these three pronouns stands for plural, but explain to you in detail as we move on to the class. Okay? All of you, please get ready with your workbook, page number 30, children. That is worksheet 11. Yes, we are in the topic pronouns. Okay, so we know, all of you, please do listen very, very carefully. Don't be looking here and there. So pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Okay, pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. So pronoun, what do you mean by the word pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun in order to avoid repetition. Okay, in order to avoid repetition, we use the word pronoun. Okay, have all of you understood what is a pronoun is? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Okay, instead of a noun, we use the word pronoun. For example, he, she, it, we, they, you are all our pronouns. Now we'll move on to the few examples of pronouns. So here you can see, you can build a bricks. You can make a pyramid. I, then you can write there it. Okay, then you can write there you, they, we, he, she. So all these are the pronouns we are going to learn in today's class. Okay, I, it, you, they, we, she, he. So we are going to learn about all these 7 pronouns in detail in today's class. Okay, so as we all of us know it, she is used for a feminine gender. For a girl, we use the pronoun she. Okay, for a, when we are talking she is a, we use for a girl, we use the pronoun she. She is going to school. Okay, for a masculine gender or for a boy, what do we say? He is my friend. You can see the picture of a boy.
My friend.
He is my friend. So he is a pronoun which is used for a boy.
My friend.
Okay. No, I am reading a book. I is also a pronoun when we talk about ourselves. I am reading a book. I means I. Okay, so I am reading a book. Here, I is a pronoun. Now, all of you, please do listen here. The pronouns he, she, and I are used for one person. Is that clear to all of you? A pronoun he, she, and I are used for one person. When we talk about one person, whether if it's a boy, we use he. If it's a girl, we use she. And if you're talking about ourselves, we use the pronoun I. So all these pronouns are used to indicate one person. Okay, are used for one person. Is that clear to all of you? Now we'll move on to the pronoun it. Yes. So it is also a
cat.
pronoun. It is used for when we talk about one
Animals.
animal or one thing. Okay,
Thing.
it is a pronoun which is used for one animal. You can see a picture of a cat here. So when we're talking about one animal, we use it. When we're talking about one thing, we use it. So it is used to represent one animal or one thing. So
And
we
one
use the
thing.
pronoun it. Have all of you understood where do we use the pronoun it? Okay, when we talk about the car, my father bought a car. The car is red in color. I like the car very much. So how do we write it? We use the pronoun it. My father bought the car.
It.
It is red in color. I like it very much. So have all of you understood? So imagine you got a bat. Your father bought a bat for you. Okay, so my father bought me a bat. The bat is big. It is red in color. Okay, so how do I write that? So you say, my father bought me a bat. It is big. It is red in color. Have you understood? So in place of an animal or a thing, we use the pronoun it. Clear to all? Clear?
Yes.
All of you? Is it clear to all of you children?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll move on to the pronoun that is plural pronouns. There are 3 plural pronouns are there. Okay. First of all, we'll move on to we. So you can see the examples we. Okay. All of you look at it. We is a plural pronoun. When we talk about more than one person, we use the pronoun we.
We.
Clear? We. All of you open
Yes.
your mouth and say it. We. W-E-V. We is a pronoun which is used for more than one person. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
We is a pronoun which is used for more than one person. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, we'll move on to, so you can see the examples here. We all love Ricky. We all means we all love Ricky. So we is a pronoun which is used to indicate or used for more than one person. Okay, now we'll move on to they. Pronoun they. They is also a plural pronoun. They is used.
Many.
Very good.
Things.
They is used
Many
for
things.
when we talk
One
about many people,
things.
many animals, and many things. Clear?
Things.
Yes, very good. They, there is only one plural pronoun is there. They is used for when we talk about many people, many animals, and many things. Is that clear to all of you?
Animals and things.
Is that clear?
Yes.
So we use the pronoun they when we talk about many people, many animals, or many things. Okay? Yes. So here, when we talk about more than one person, that is many people, we use they. They are my grandparents. Okay? They are my grandparents. They are my grandparents. So they is a pronoun. When we talk about more or many animals, we use the pronoun they. They are eating grass.
They.
Yes, when we talk about more than one, they is the plural pronoun used for more than one people or many people, many animals, or many things. Okay, so so when we talk about many things are there, even then we use they. Okay, so and last but not the least, we'll move on to the last pronoun that we are going to discuss is about you. You is also a pronoun. You is a special pronoun which is used for one person and also for more than one person. Is it clear? You is a pronoun which is used for one person. When we are talking about one person, we say you are a girl. You are a girl. When we are talking about many also, we use the pronoun you. You are my students. You are my students. Okay, so we use the pronoun you, but we have to use it according to the sentence wise. Okay, so that is how we have to know. So in today's class, we have learned about 7 pronouns, 7 important pronouns. So we have to know where to use it, how we have to use it properly. Okay, is that clear to all of you? So I'm not
Yes.
moving on to the exercises which are there in your workbook, children. Some of the sentences which are there is a little bit complicated for you. So I'll move on to the exercises which is very easy. Then we'll move on to the exercises which are there in your workbook. Okay, children? Is it fine? Okay. We'll move on to the exercises. Once we complete all the exercises which are we have to discuss, then we'll move on to the exercises which are there in your workbook. Now, all of you, please keep the book open, but don't write anything. Now, all of you, pronouns we are in. Okay. So I'll be writing a few sentences on the board. You have to tell me, you have to identify the pronoun in the following sentences. Okay. She is. First, let us identify the pronouns, then we'll move on to fill-ups. Okay, she is getting ready. She is getting ready. So, Niranjan, come on. Underline the pronoun or identify the pronoun in this sentence. Read, come on, read the sentence. Read
She
the sentence.
is.
She is.
She is
Yes, she is getting ready. Come on, read it.
getting ready.
Okay, now identify the pronoun in that sentence.
She.
Which is a pronoun
She.
here in this? She. Very good. She. So she is a pronoun in the sentence. First, let us identify the pronouns. Okay. Then we'll move on to fill-ups and rewriting the sentences. Now, he is reading a book. Okay, Abhinav, Jitesh, come on. Abhinav, please. Read the sentence, Abhinav. Unmute
Yes,
it. Yes. Yes, read the sentence.
He is reading a book.
Yes, come on.
He.
He, yes, he is the pronoun here. Okay, so he is a pronoun here. Very good. Now I'll move on to the next one. They went to the office. So here, Vrinda, come on, unmute it.
Ma'am.
Yes, read the third sentence.
And they went at the.
They went to the
They went to the
office.
office.
They went to the office. So pick out the pronoun in this sentence.
They.
They, very good. I'm sorry. They. Okay, here it is, they. They is the pronoun. Now we'll move on to the fourth one. Okay, fourth question. I am coming to the Mohammad Zishan, come on, read the next question. I am, fourth question.
I am coming to
the party. P-A-R-T-Y is party. So pick out the pronoun in this sentence.
party.
Pronoun. Which is a pronoun here? Which topic are we talking about? We have learned about 7 pronouns in this class. So pick up I. Very good. I is a pronoun here. Okay. So in this class, we are talking about all about pronouns. Okay, children. So we are talking about the pronouns. Yes. Now we'll move on to the 5th sentence. We will see you tomorrow. We will see you tomorrow. Okay. Jessica, come on. Jessica, unmuted Jessica. Read the sentence.
We will
We will see you
tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay. Now pick out the pronouns in that sentence. Which are the pronouns here?
We.
We. Very good. We. Only we is there. Is there any other pronouns there which we have learnt in today's class? Come on, see each word. We will see you tomorrow. So is there any other pronouns there, Jessica?
You.
You, very good. You is also a pronoun. So have all of you understood? First, let us identify the pronouns. Okay. Then we will fill up the blanks with using the pronouns. So here,
They, I, we, you.
so here in this exercises, we have done okay, she is getting ready. So she is a pronoun. He is reading a book. He is a pronoun. They went to the office. So they is a pronoun here. I am coming to the party. I is a pronoun. And we will see you tomorrow. We and you are the pronouns here in the sentence. Okay. So all these are the pronouns. So have all of you understood what is a pronoun as children? Let me ask you a few questions. Devanandan, come on, tell me what is a pronoun? Then we'll move on to the next exercise.
In swimming.
What is a pronoun? A pronoun children, you have to learn in bits. Nouns are naming words. Conjunctions are joining words. Verbs are action words. So similarly, pronouns are what? Okay, Satik, come on, tell me.
Words.
What words? Satik. Come on. Pronouns are words used in place of a noun. All of you tell me. Words used in place of a noun. Okay? In place of a noun. All of you open your mouth and tell me.
In place of a noun.
Words used
in
place of a noun.
Words used in place of a noun.
In place of a noun. Okay? So the words used in place of a nouns are called as pronouns. Have all of you understood? A
Yes.
place, in place of a noun or instead of a noun. In place means instead of using all the naming words, that is name of a person, animal or thing, we use the pronouns in place of a noun. Okay, so pronouns are words used in place of a noun. All of you say that word, in place. In place of a noun. Okay, so when I ask you what is a pronoun, you should be able to answer a word used in place of a noun. So let me, come on, tell me what is a noun is. What is a noun, children? Abhinav, Jatish, come on.
Place of a noun.
Yes,
Yes,
noun
ma'am.
is the naming word. Abhinav, Jatish, come on, tell me what is a noun?
Place
Noun
of
is a,
Place of a noun.
yes, it's a name of a person.
Place, animal or thing.
Okay, so nouns are naming words. Okay, when I tell you what is a noun means, you should be able to answer like this. Noun is a naming word.
Word.
Okay, names of person,
persons
place,
and
animal,
animals and
or thing.
things.
Okay, pronoun. The word noun is being attached to the word pro. It means a word used in place of a noun. Is that clear? So
Yes.
instead of a noun, we use he, she,
He,
it,
it,
we, they, and you. And
You.
even I is also a pronoun. So these are the 7 pronouns we have discussed in today's
you,
class.
I,
Okay.
you,
So
he, they,
she, sorry, he, she,
he,
I,
she,
it are used for singular.
It,
They, you are plural pronouns where we use it for plural nouns. Is that clear to all of you?
no,
Okay. Clear?
yes,
Is there any doubt regarding the
Yes.
chapter topic?
no, no,
Okay then. So there is one more exercise for you. Let's do it. I'll be sending the exercise for you. Okay. Okay. The file is on the table. The file is on the file is on the table. So instead of file, which pronoun do we use?
man cannot
Everybody,
write.
come on.
Man cannot write.
No, please don't write it. You say the answer. Okay. The file is
Yes,
on the
ma'am.
table. Instead of a file, which pronoun we can use instead of a file? If you write, you take a lot of time and you will be concentrating on writing and you will not answer to my questions. It, very good. It, very good. So file is a thing. I've already told you for when we talk about, we use it, pronoun it, when we talk about one animal or one thing. So here the file is a thing. So we use the pronoun it. Is that clear? Now we'll move on to the second question.
Yes.
Let me see who are intelligent enough to answer. Okay, are you all ready?
yes,
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Chand. I don't want to hear any songs from you. All of you, please do read the sentences. All of you, please do read the sentence. Here, what is this is written here? Chand and
Chand
Kate,
and
study in the same class. So instead of
We-
Chand and
we-
Kate,
we,
yes,
we,
children. It is not we, it is they. Why means yes, yes. Children, there is difference between we and they. In we have to include I in it. Okay? If I tell you, Chand and I study in the same class, then you can say we. Okay? Here, two people are different. You are not included into it. So we have to use the pronoun they. Clear? Got it?
yes,
Yes, if you are included into that, then we will use the pronoun we, I, and Satik study in the same class. Then we can say we have to use the pronoun we. Here, there are two people, that is Abhinav and Zishan, are studying in the same class means, then we have to use the pronoun they. Clear to all?
yes,
Clear? You got the correct idea about it? Now here there are two people, two different people. You are not included into it. So we have to use the pronoun. What is that, children? What we have to use? Pronoun? Come on. They. Very good. We have to use the pronoun they when we talk about two different people. If, for example, the third question I'll give you. Radhika, or I'll write like this. My sister and I fight a lot. Fight a lot. Okay, so in case of my sister and I, which pronoun do we use here?
We.
Yes, we. Okay, here
We.
even you are included into it. Your sister and you. You both of you fight a lot. So in this case, we have to use the pronoun we. Clear? When you have to use the pronoun we, is it clear to all of you? When I is included, when you are included into it, then we will say we. If you are not included in the scene, then we have to use the pronoun they. Clear? Okay?
Yes.
Now is it understood?
Okay.
All of you?
Yes.
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 Daddy tried to start the car. To start the
They.
First
They.
read the question. Daddy tried to start the car. The car had no petrol. So what we have to use? I see that only one person is answering the question. I wanted all of you to answer. Okay, where is Aldrin? Aldrin is not there? Yes,
Ma'am.
Aldrin. Aldrin, come on, Aldrin. Read the question. Aldrin. Aldrin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the question.
Yes,
Daddy.
ma'am. Daddy.
Daddy, try to
Try to
start the car.
the car.
The car had
We.
the car had no petrol. So here we are talking about the car here. The car has been repeated twice. So instead of the car, which pronoun do we have to use here?
It.
Very good. We have to use the pronoun it. Here we are talking about the pronoun car. Sorry, we are talking about the car. Okay, we are talking about the noun car. So we have to use, instead of the car, we have to use pronoun it. Okay, in place of the word car. Okay, so it had no petrol. Is that clear to all of you? So it had
Yes.
no petrol. So when a lesson is being taken, children, all of you, please do read your workbook. I wanted all of you to read it. When a lesson has been taken, that is a worksheet has been taken, I wanted all of you to at least read what has been there in your workbook. Okay, so you have to read the workbook exercises which are there. The exercises which is given there is not, we'll be doing in the next class. Okay, why means all the pronouns are included into it. So now you may not be understanding what is being written there. So in the next class, I'll make you understand. Then we'll be doing the workbook exercises. Now for time being, I'll be sending you the notes. Okay. So I hope you all have understood what has been explained in today's class. Why is the chatting box is very lively today? Who's chatting in that box?
Angelina and
I don't want your chat box to be lively here. Okay, I wanted all of you to concentrate on what is being taught in the class. Who's been chatting here? Huh? Okay then. So I wanted all of, I hope so you have understood what is being taught in today's class. Okay, pronouns. What is a pronoun? Come on. Who can give me the answer?
naming word.
Naming word is a pronoun?
word.
Again?
No.
What is a pronoun?
Name
Yes, Mivon. Come on.
Person and
No. Pronoun. What is a pronoun?
Word using place.
Yes, word used in place of a noun. Okay, I'll give you the notes. Then when you read the notes, you may understand a little more better. Okay, it's okay. So we are learning it for the first time. So you may, so a word used in place of a noun. Okay, all of you repeat it. A word used in place of a noun is a pronoun. So in today's class, which all words we have learnt? In today's class, which all words we have learnt? I, tell me, I, it,
It,
you,
I,
they, we, he,
they.
and she. Okay, so we have learnt about I, it, you,
it,
they,
you, they,
we, he, and she. So these are the 7 words, pronouns we have learnt in today's class. So I want all of you to go through the worksheet 11, read what has been written there, okay? And the notes will be sent to you. So read those notes also, okay? Until we meet for the next time, children, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, children,
Thank
for
you,
the next
ma'am.
class, I wanted, that is on Monday, I wanted to be thorough with this topic. Okay, I'll be asking you questions. Okay, children, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, children.